Hello, friends. At times it happens that you are very polite, but some people ask you rude questions. So, today we are going to do a situational English when people are rude to you. So, what would be your polite answer to them? If someone asks you, how much do you earn? As we all know that this is not the right question to ask someone about their earnings, still it is a rude question and they put it, then your decent and polite answer should be enough to be happy but not too much to discuss it. If someone asks you that when are you getting married, and if the intention is to hurt you, then you will say that not sure yet, but I'll send you save the date. So this will be a very polite way to answer. Or if someone asks you that why don't you have kids, you can very politely say that because I haven't finished raising myself yet. Or if someone says that you have gained weight, haven't you? Then you can easily say that yes, I have gained weight and I've gained confidence too. Or if someone puts the question like, do you still stay with your parents? You can always say that yes, because it's a blessing, not a burden for me. Or if someone comment on your wearing that, why are you wearing that? It is not in fashion anymore. Then you can again say very politely and confidently that I dress up for joy, not approval. Or someone asks you that, why didn't you message me? You can again say that sometimes I need to recharge before I reconnect. Or if someone puts the question that, why are you so quiet? You can say that I prefer to listen rather than to speak because it teaches you more. So, my dear friends, people will come with different sorts of harsh questions. You can call them rude questions. But if you react, then it will give them more power. So, never react. You just need to respond by the polite answers. But your answers have enough in that. The content is enough to show them that you hold value. For more such interesting videos, please like, share and subscribe Sonu Ma'am's channel. Jai Hind.